Okay, hey my prepper posse. I'm all backed in. He's got a beautiful driveway, just beautiful. He's a good friend of mine. Known him for, probably almost 35 years. And my truck. And he'll be home, our time here, 4:30, 4:15, 4:30. We're already plugged in. And we've been relaxing. You know, that's what I'm here to do, is decompress. Oh, the bus looks good. She was fat and heavy though. She had a fat ass on her when I was driving her here. I could feel it. And we didn't empty the tanks, so we had water in it. I haven't opened up the canopy yet. But Nikki's in the backyard running the dog around because he's got a nice backyard for the dog to run. Yep. This is really nice of him to let me hang here and relax and decompress. Oh, feels so good. No more corporate life. No more working for the man. Oh, I love that. Anyway, this is us. As soon as we relax, we'll start unpacking stuff and fixing stuff up and getting her ready. It's 5,000 degrees right now too. I got the cab blocked off and just have the AC run in the first room. It's great. It's nice and cool in there. The animals are good. Everybody's good. Yeah, Tank's out back here. Loving the shade. Loving it. He's got a big tree back here, which is really cool. I'm probably going to mow the lawn for this guy. He needs his lawn mowed. Yay. Good. Can hear some more birds. Alright, well, we'll show you some more later. Maybe tonight. Maybe not. We might just pass out. Who knows? But we did it. So, very happy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Oh, thank you all for staying with me. Thanks for being here and all of your support. It's really wonderful. It really helps. Oh, he's got a little clothesline here. Oh. All right. Don't forget to play. See you.